Good morning. This morning I'm going to show you how to create a Qt console program. First we're going to start off with the Qt console program, and then secondly I'll show you how to create a Qt GUI program. This is all required as part and parcel of the module COS2614. So without further ado, I'm going to show us how we do this in Qt. So let's start off with the console program. I'm going to click on New Project, and you can see it comes up with a whole list of things. What you would choose is, you're happy to choose an application, and we choose the Qt console application. You click on Choose. It'll ask you where do you want to store your files. We've obviously created a folder on our C drive, and we're going to put it under the UNISA. Create a folder UNISA, and we create a folder COS2614, and then depending on the assignment, you can call it assignment 1 or assignment 2. We can just put it over there. Okay, so select folder. I'm just going to call this console program. Okay, I'm going to click on that option, say next. Here it's asking you what type of editor you're wanting, the MinGW editor, which is standard, so I'm just going to choose that. I'm not doing any version control, so I'm just going to leave it at this. So I'll click on finish, and you'll see. Okay, so if we have a look here under our console program, you will notice that it says Qt is the core, and you can see Qt has got no GUI, and then it adds this config. So this is what is called the project file, or the .pro file. And if you have a look at main, you'll notice that this return a exec is will be something different than what you would see in a GUI program. Alright, so this is just to show you how to load the console program. So I'm going to go and close all of these without saving. I'm going to click on the next one we're going to go on to is the GUI program. So if I click on New Projects, we choose Other Projects, and we choose an empty Qt project. That's what we should be doing for any GUI programs that UNISA wants for this module, COS2614. And I'm going to call it a GUI app. Next, finish. And if we have a look at our Pro, okay, it hasn't got anything. Now, in order to add headers and footers, you would go click on File, you say New File or Project, and then what we would do is we would choose Applications, C++, and we'll choose C++ class. We choose and the class name. So depending on what they ask you to build, I'm just going to call mine class 1, and the base class is, this is what's important. Most of the base classes should be a Q object, a type of Q object. Okay, so I'm going to choose that, and as you can see, it'll place my header file and my CPP file in the same folder. So I click on next, and I say finish. Alright, so this is how you should be doing, how you should be loading both the console and how you should be loading the GUI program. Alright, as you can see here, it goes and adds this. The only thing that seems to be missing is from my GUI app, and so I just wanted to share it with you. This is what the template would look like, and this is what it's showing like in my Qt program. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video is helpful. Goodbye.